Now, a federal high court is set to deliver a ruling on the bail application of suspects accused of vandalizing crude oil pipelines in Rivers State. This comes as the federal government intensifies its push for stiffer penalties against oil theft and other related economic sabotage. Correspondent Uche Okoro reports.
The special prosecution team from the Office of the National Security Advisor appeared in court for the arraignment of 8 more suspects facing charges of conspiracy and tampering with oil infrastructure. With illegal dealings in petroleum products surging across the country, particularly in the Niger Delta, the government is urging the judiciary to adopt a tougher stance aimed at deterring those involved in these crimes. If found guilty, the accused may face the maximum sentence permitted by law. Prosecutors are pressing for their continued remand throughout the trial, citing national interest.
The only way you can stem such acts is by denying defendants bail. Because if you don't deny them bail and take them to court, and the next day or 2 days later they are on the street, people don't look at it as very serious. Like I pointed out, life punishment, an offense that involves life sentence, is a very serious offense. And those who are involved in such offenses should not be granted bail. They should be in custody so that their trials can be pursued speedily.
The matter of which my client was charged available. So the prosecution is doing their job with respect to prosecuting my client. And we made an application for bail. We are not leaving it at the BS of the court to act within her discretionary powers to grant my client bail.
The Presidential Joint Task Force maintains that these precautions highlight the federal government's unwavering resolve to stamp out all forms of economic sabotage.
We are all Nigerians. We must know that oil pipelines are vital national assets, which every Nigerian should protect. But what we have in some communities is as if the offenses of tampering with petroleum pipelines and siphoning of crude oil has become a normal thing. It shouldn't be.
Officials also emphasize that a critical aspect of this crackdown is the need to protect the environment from the devastating impact of illegal refining and associated activities. Uche Okoro, TVC News, Port Harcourt.